Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Book Flamingo. Now we will count to 12 and all we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So here the poet Pablo Neruda, he is urging us not to move and to count up to 12. Why? Not to speak in any language, just to stop all movement. So if we stop all the movements, if we don't speak in any language, if we can count up to 12, that means we can introspect ourselves. So human being can introspect oneself and can get the question, can get the answer. What answer? So by the next line we'll understand that he wants us to introspect oneself, means ourselves, so that what will happen? It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. So we all would be in a sudden strangeness, in a place which is very much exotic, which is very much pleasing. Then only we can reach to that, that happy land where we can get peace, where we can get happiness, where we can get satisfaction in our life. So again he is saying that if we do not move our hands, if we keep quiet, but then what will happen? If everything is stopped, so those fishermen, those who are working in the cold sea, would not harm the whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Means if we are quiet, if we do nothing, what will happen? So the fisherman, the fishing, he will not harm anything. So the fisherman will not harm any creature for his livelihood, and moreover the man who is hurting himself for his livelihood, he is gathering something, he has hurt, he will get some time to look at his hurt, to look at his hands. So again the poet, Pablo Neruda, he is saying that those who prepare green words with gas, words with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. So there is a continuous war or power play that is going in the world. So one is proving its superiority over others. So there are different kind of wars that is going on in the world. So if we can keep quiet for some time, we can introspect ourselves. What is the purpose of our life? Why we are doing this? So we can get the answer and we can reach to the greatest height of happiness. So next he's again saying, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So if we do this thing, if we continuously keep on busy ourselves in this kind of wars, what will happen? We will harm ourselves. It will be dangerous for the environment, for the humanity, and for the coming generation. So in the shade doing nothing, what I want not to be confused with total inactivity. So the poet says that whatever the poet is saying, it should not get confused with total inactivity, means death. So the poet is not saying about death. He is saying about to be quiet, to be still, to be motionless for some time only. Then only we can introspect. So next he is saying that in the last lines that he says that life is what it is about. I want no truck with death if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So that means this human being are very much single-minded. They are selfish, they are self-centered. So they want to prove their superiority over others again and again. So that makes what? That makes human very much self-centered, mean-minded, harming kind of nature. Actually human beings should not be harmful. They should be loving. Rather, human beings should be lovable to everybody. They should not be harmful. So the last line that the poet is saying, perhaps the earth can teach us. So who can teach humanity? Who can teach the human being? Only earth can teach us. So as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive, so what is happening? Earth, everything is dead. So earth is always, it is, regaining itself. It is regenerating. Who is regenerating? So the earth is regenerating everything and later proves to be alive. Now it is dead, but one day it will prove to be alive. That just like phoenix, we can say, it can rebirth, it can take its rebirth. So to take that rebirth, to regenerate the whole thing, the whole humanity, the whole atmosphere, the whole generation. So that's why we must count to 12 and we must keep quiet. So the poet says in his last line that he will die, but we human being, as we are living, it is our responsibility to take care of mankind, to take care of this environment. Thank you.